Hello students, welcome to the another session of the IT lab. Today we are going to discuss about how to create a simple Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And as I have discussed earlier, when we are creating text-based document, we are using Microsoft Word. And when we want mathematical logical calculation or business calculations, we are using Microsoft Excel. In case of PowerPoint presentation, when we are want to present something, that may be a commercial presentation, that may be a official presentation, that may be a institutional presentation or training purpose. In that case, we are using Microsoft PowerPoint. It helps us to demonstrate easily, and as well as it also helps to understand easily. The viewers can easily understand the topic we are using, want to demonstrate through Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And in a single at a time we can also uh, uh, demonstrate to many number of peoples. So let's start. Go to start menu, all programs, Microsoft Office. You can, as you can see here, is the all the total package of the Microsoft Office. This is the Microsoft Word, this is the Microsoft Excel. We are already learnt about that, and today we are going to Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see, this is the slide. This is the Microsoft PowerPoint window. In this window, first you have to uh, click on design, and what type of design you want, you can choose here. For example, I am choosing this design. In the first slide we have to write welcome. For example, welcome to IT lab. I'm writing here welcome to IT lab and select it. Like our Microsoft Word, we can also increase our letter size, and we can also change the color of the letter. We can also make it bold. We can rearrange the uh, place we want. Okay, here we can also apply this animation to this slide. That may be this animation as per your choice. I am selecting this. Okay, then I'm going to another slide. Go to home, new slide. Let it be comparison slide. I'm just want to compare two entities, that is mouse and keyboard. So I am writing here comparison between mouse and keyboard. Okay, I'm just selecting it, make it bold, and decreasing the size to 28 for looking good, and also changing the color to red. Here is the name of the entity you want to compare, that is mouse. You have to write here, and keyboard here. And in this box you have to write the points of comparison. For example, I am writing it has 3 buttons, and here I am writing it has 108 buttons generally. I'm just writing for an example. Okay, so students, you can also you can also add image to this slide. For that, go to insert, click on picture, and select the location where you stored your pictures. I am storing in desktop, so I am clicking on desktop, and click on insert. After that, I am dragging the picture to the left beneath the mouse heading, and once again I am inserting another picture, that is keyboard, and dragging it to the right beneath the keyboard heading. Okay, then I have to insert another slide, that is blank slide, and here I want to write thank you. That means I am going to uh, end my presentation. Okay, go to insert, go to this slide. Okay, go to this slide and go to insert, and insert a text box. Here you can also insert text box, write thank you. Select it, change color, change the size, and align it to the center. You can also align to right, you can also align to left. I am just aligned to the center. Here you can also add the animation to different to this text. You can also add animation to different text, that is select it, go to animation, custom animation, and add effect. You can add this effect so that it's showing this effect. Here you can also add effect to this text. Okay, so students, we have already completed the presentation. I am just going to show you how to show this presentation. Once again, I am just want to say something, that is, you can insert picture, you can insert clipboards, you can also insert different types of shapes are here. You can also insert smart arts are also here. You can, if you want these smart arts, you can also insert different types. Charts are also here. You can also insert bar charts, line chart, pie chart. Different types charts are also here. Okay, so now we are going to play the slideshow. Go to the slideshow tab, and from beginning click on that. This is now I am showing you by clicking the mouse button. That is the mouse button. By clicking the mouse button, the slides are showing one by one, but we can also change it to the automatically. To set that, deselect the mouse on mouse click, and here you change the timing, that is for each slide put 10 second. Okay, and apply to all. After that, go to slideshow, and from beginning, just see, it will automatically show the slide one by one after each 10 second. Okay, students, thank you. I hope you are all well in your home, and uh, I want that you try at your home in your own laptop or desktop if you have. Okay, thank you.